Hey guys, welcome to this week's video. On this week's video, I've got a really good recipe for you. I'm gonna show you how to marinate minced lamb, just like the Indian restaurants. So when you have your shish kebab, when you have your Keema naan, your Shami Kebab, all of that sort of stuff. So I'm gonna show you how to marinate the minced lamb, and then we'll go off and make our shish kebab. I'm also gonna be doing another video using this and making Keema naan breads as well. So firstly guys, thank you ever so much for watching our videos, and if you haven't guys, please do like and subscribe to the channel, and for new visitors, welcome, and existing visitors, you know there's a lot of love for you guys, so thank you ever so much. So having said that guys, let's crack on with today's video where I'll be marinating the minced lamb, and then we're going to make shish kebab with these. I'm going to make two different styles. I'm going to make one, the Indian restaurant style, shish kebab, then I'm going to add a few more bits and pieces and make another one called spicy, but we're going to use the marinade first. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do, I've got all the recipes here with the ingredients here. What I'll do, I will go through them as I put them in. As also what I'll do, I'll leave a description, the recipe in the description box, so feel free to check that out. So let's crack on with our minced lamb marination for shish kebab and so forth. So I've got garam masala here. I have got just over 500 grams of minced lamb. Now mince generally takes more spice, so I've got, I suppose you can say, a good teaspoon of, or half a teaspoon of garam masala. This is coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. This is my BIR style mixed curry powder. So in the Indian restaurant guys, we use this mixed curry powder on everything with all the preparation. I have got a recipe that I'll put a link in the description box, and you can watch that and you can make this yourself. So let's get good 1 heaped teaspoon, 2. Right, we want our salt, just under half, maybe just a tiny bit more. Again, use the salt to your taste. Got ginger garlic paste, so that's 1 heap teaspoon, another first 2, and I've got kasuri methi here as well. So these have already been crushed, so 1, just over 1. And here I've got Kashmiri masala paste, so I'm going to use Kashmiri masala paste just under half. Not heap or anything, I just try and make this half because this is quite strong, so do that. And that's our basic marination done for our minced lamb marination. So what we're going to do now, get this all mixed in. Now of course, in the restaurants we've got the food colouring. We use the food colour to make your keema red. If you don't want to use that, you can use Kashmiri red chilli powder. It is going to alter the taste slightly, however, you know, at least it avoids you using any food colouring that you don't want to. So again, if you don't want to use food colouring, you don't have to. It does nothing to the taste, it's just for the presentation. So let's go with about 2, and hopefully that will give us the right texture of the marination. So let's get that all mixed in. What we've got to do now guys, just get this mixed in really well. Otherwise we'll have, some of the keema will have spices in there, other parts won't. So get your hand in there, get yourself a glove, and just get that in there. Hey guys, if you guys are new to a channel, welcome, thank you for watching. If you guys haven't already done so guys, give it a like, comment below, let us know what you think, and give it a subscribe. So this looks all good now guys, it's all been mixed in. So when you order your shish kebabs at the restaurants, or your Shami Kebab or Keema naan bread, this is the marination for it. what you're looking there to get as well, the consistency as well, a bit sticky as well, because when we're sticking the skewers we want it to stick on, so that looks pretty cool. Right, there we go. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to take some, I'm going to take about this much. I'll take a bit less actually, because it's only for me, because Mrs. doesn't like the spicy, as spicy as I do, so I'm going to take this much. What's this? Handful. There we go, let's get that in there. So this is our marination done. Give it one more mix, get it all together. Right, so this one's going to be for me. I'm going to make that spicy, so I've got some chili flakes here. Let's get a little spoon. Well, you get the idea of this anyway, so add your chili flakes and so forth as much as you want to, as less as you want to. So I've got a bit of finely chopped green chili, coriander, good pinch of onion, right, so if you want to use chili powder in here you can do to make it that bit more spicy, but this will be good enough for me because I've got the good amount of green chili in there. So give it a mix it all together. And again, you can use this in your Keema naan bread, this mixture as well. There we go. Right, so all we're going to do now, get a bit of oil, and we're just going to pat oil on top of it. So literally just a bit of oil on your hand, smash it around. So you can see that from there, maybe there. Basically, just get some oil, just give it a good rub all around, and then all you're good. Same with the other one. Now I thought we'll do this one now as well, because obviously summertime's coming, get your barbecue on. This will be a really good recipe to use. Right, so there we go. So all we're going to do now, guys, let that marinate for at least couple of hours. If you can leave it overnight, fantastic. Right, so there you go, just gonna get that covered up and we're good. Okay guys, we're just gonna cover these up and let them set or marinate for at least 2 to 3 hours. If not overnight, will be absolutely fantastic. But if you make it in the morning or late morning, for example, or you can have it by the evening, so that'll be pretty cool. Or just do the marination before you go to bed, and by the lunchtime the following day it will all be good for us to make our shish kebabs or Shami Kebab or Keema naan bread, anything really with it really. So there you go. And some, you know, you have murgi masala and so forth, or Keema rice actually. This is used in Keema rice as well. So there we go. Right, so this marination you can use. So this is on my spicy one, and this is a normal Keema marination, just like the Indian restaurant style, where you can make your shish kebabs and so forth. Yeah guys, so let's let this marinate, and I'll do the video a bit later on where we make the shish kebab at home. Hey guys, welcome back to the second part of this video. So it's been a couple of hours, about 2.5 hours that my the lamb mince been marinating. So this is the normal BIR style lamb mince, and this is similar but a bit more spiced up with things in there. So what we're going to do now, you can use an oven if you want to. I've got one of these grill pans here, so I'm going to be using that to make the shish kebab. I've also got a couple of bamboo skewers here. So what we're going to do first of all, guys, let's get our heat on. Right, first thing I'm going to do is just bit of oil. Just give that a quick. Okay guys, we're going to grab one of our skewers, get some mince lamb on here. Just rub some oil in your hand, get some tiny portion and just stick it in there, and then just slowly roll it out. See if you can see it. Yes you can. At the restaurants we obviously have the actual skewer for the tandoor itself. There we go, that looks pretty cool. And that on there. So it shouldn't take too long, just take a few minutes on each side. Look at that, it's cooking away nicely. So I've got the heat on low, so it's on low heat, and let that just sizzle away. What I'm going to do now, I have got a tower here to show you what else we can cook with this mince lamb marinade. I did say to you guys that literally whatever you've got at the Indian restaurants, the menu wise, you can cook with this. So your keema naan, your shish kebab, and what I'm going to show you now is going to be shami kebab. So I've got the pan, just put it back on low heat. Then get some oil on here. Okay. And again, what I'm going to do now, just get some good keema. I'm just going to roll it like into a burger. That's what it's called. Again, it's going to get a little bit of oil in my hand. Roll it into a ball, and then just flatten it just to make it the size of a burger. There we go, that will be. You've got to make it bigger, just obviously you make it bigger with more mince on there. Let's just put that down here. I'll do one more. This one's going to be the one with the spice on there, some more chillies and so forth on there. So like I said guys, on our videos I like to give you guys a lot of value. I appreciate you guys watching, so therefore would like to give you as much as a recipe that I can. So this is how you can just do it, literally flat on your palm and just roll it out. There we go, that's done. Let's get that down here. Alright, so quickly going to wash my hands. And zoom in for you guys, there you go, look at that. And the Shami Kebab at the background is getting done. And again, if you don't have one of these griddle pans, you can do the shish kebab on a tower as well, or just stick it in the oven, or if you've got barbecue happening, just put it on the barbecue. Happy days really. Look at the shish kebabs are done literally. How long is that? 4 or 5 minutes? Something 4 or 5 minutes? Yeah. You can tell that it's done because you can see over this chart. Plus, when you press it, it's also bit bouncy, so slightly hard but bouncy. So these are done. Just going to wait for this one to be slightly done. This one's got more meat in, this one has, so it's taking slightly longer. That's actually fine. So what we'll do now, we'll just swap these around. Let me get a quick plate. Right, there we go. Put it on here. Oops, put it on here for the time being. So this is our Shami Kebab there. So what we're going to do now. Okay, guys. So now that we've got our shish kebab ready, all we're going to do now is get some fried onion on the go. So again, just got some onion chopped, stick them in there. Pinch of salt. Again, pinch of kasturi methi. Again, just do this part on high flame, it'll be absolutely fine. And if you want to add any green chillies, some peppers, by all means carry on at this stage. Just towards the end, just going to add a tiny bit of ghee on there. Put some ghee in there. There we go. That's it, right, we're done. How does that look for presentation, maybe? Closer. Here we go. Lovely, guys. Give that a go, guys. Give the recipe a go. Let us know what you think. This is shish kebab, Indian restaurant style. Absolutely fantastic. Pretty sure it's good. And I've also got the Shami Kebab. Let's put that in here as well. Why not? There we go. So you've got quite a few recipes in one video, guys. So guys, enjoy the recipe. Please give it a like, subscribe, share our channel with others, and I shall see you in the next video. Take care and stay safe.